Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will explain you how to use a very useful link, how to use a very useful link to detect to check your neural networks and its performance. Actually, if you have basic knowledge about neural networks and learning process, then you can easily get, or maybe someone who knows about all the process but doesn't know about how to check the mm, how to check how to use this particular tool or website. Maybe that's very helpful for them. And first of all, I will let you know like what is all about. Website that I want to show is playground.tensorflow.com. This website is a platform to test, to play with with tensors. Actually the, if you want to learn very basic neural network structure, then this website will definitely help you about how to use neural networks, how to deal with the neural networks, hidden layer, features, output. um, So, so for this particular type of neural network, for the what they have done, that they have developed a technique for building computer program that learns from data. It is actually based on some loosely bound neural networks. Like for example, if you want to send message, like your neurons are processed, and one neuron is connected with another neuron, and then you get the impulse, or maybe sometime mm, anything, uh, any impulse, any message that like easily transfer from one neuron to another using sigmoid, or maybe any other activation function. And then but they have created first a collection of software neurons that are connected together, allowed to send two messages from each other, and next the network asks to solve problem which attempt to do it over and over again, each time strengthening of connection that lead to successful, diminishing those had lead to failure. And like it's very cool, it's very purposeful website. uh, uh, it's very purposeful website. And but you have seen that there are different colors. So what does these color means? Orange and blue color. Orange and blue color are used throughout the visualization in slightly different ways, but in general orange shows negative values and blue shows, here you see orange and blue. Orange shows negative values and blue shows positive values. Like if you say that blue or red, or maybe some other color website and data points, want to use, how much training you want to perform on how much data. And also you can you can ratio your training and testing data set half half. And then in the hidden layer, the lines are colored by weights of the connection between the neuron. Like you see here, weights weights of the connection between this is the blue, this is for orange to there. So here, in the hidden layer, the lines are colored by weights of the connection between neurons. So you see, we are very intelligent human beings. We doesn't we don't need actually weights, but to get the exact information, we have to pass some weights between two neurons. And blue shows positive weight, which means the network is using the output of the neuron as given. Okay. And as see here, network is using as given by the inputs. So in the output layer, dots are colored orange or blue depending on the original values. So see here, this is output layer. For the output layer, dots originally blue or orange depending on the original value. The background color shows the network is predicting a particular area. For example, now our network is not following the pattern that we have passed it as an input. So intensity of color show how confident the prediction is. Like for example, if you see intensity, now intensity is very low and we haven't predicted the exact pattern of this particular type of problem. So when we train it, then we can get the exact neuron, the resultant answer, the resultant efficiency. So so this tiny neural network feature is actually uh, wrote in neural network library using consider tensorflows. See, we have different tensors here in hidden layer, and that's all. And now let's start. Like here we have data section. We can easily select data. Either we use this circle, this spiral, or maybe some other, whatever you want you can select. And this is ratio of training to test data. We have 50% test and 50% training. As I have seen earlier that our testing data is 30%. So basically normally we have used 30 and 50%. If you want to know basic feature machine learning process, you can follow my video. And also I have built some developed some videos on numpy and matplotlib, also pandas and tensorflow. So if you want any other information, you can follow my other videos. So here you have seen our training and testing data ratio is 30 and 70, noise is 0, batch size 10. Mm, and then feature what we want to. If we have one input feature and only one hidden layer, see only one hidden layer with two neurons. So here you have seen learning rate. Higher the learning rate, the load it will take time. Okay, and this is activation function, sigmoid, linear, any activation function you want. And regularization they rate. And also problem type is what type of problem you want to check, classification or regression. So let's play. Creating only one neuron. See how fast it's taking to get this behavior. See, it's very difficult because we have only two neurons in the hidden layer, and one we want only one input. So see here, our test loss, training loss. You can also get this. And okay, let's try to add hidden layers, two hidden layers, two hidden layers with okay, two input with four neuron. Okay, two. Okay, let's try. And okay, so you want to predict this feature. See here, wow, it's faster. It's getting, because you see, as you increase the number of hidden layer, it will help you doing your classification task very easily. So done. And if you increase, okay, I'm increasing six hidden layers with six neuron. Okay, seven neuron each. Seven neuron each. Seven neuron each. also and the input are two. Okay, let's play. See, wow, see loss and training loss and test loss. So using this tool, you can easily predict the features. You can easily train your data set and also get the output. So here, if you perform regression task, you see this is regression task. Classification, regression, any type of thing you can change. Even you can change activation function. Okay, linear. See, regression is performing regression task, getting you the output. So that's all for this video. If you want anything else, you can easily ask me. I will help you out in getting whatever you want, and whatever you are facing difficulty in, and then I can help you. Okay, bye.